Your FBA inventory is sitting there, but buyers can't see it. Here's how to fix unavailable listings and recover. But you have to know what's going on, right? So you sent an inventory. It might even say available, but you're like, why is it still out of stock? Where is my inventory? Right, I shipped it in. And what we can do is we can just like look at this account right here, and it's like the same situation. So what we can see is inbound. It says active in the bottom left-hand corner. It says the listings are active, but it says that there's 100 inbound. So it's not officially active yet. So, and especially depending on where it's going. So if it's in California, it might not be active in Florida, right? If you're shopping in Florida, but on your end, it might look like it. So Amazon does that. They diversify just in case, and they didn't actually receive the inventory yet, but Amazon's believes it's going to receive the inventory. So they try to get you sales or like pre-sales before it even starts. Now, what you can also do is triple check your shipments. This is going to be the biggest tell. You're going to go into inventory. Then you're going to click on shipments right here. Once you go into the shipments, this is going to be the easiest way to tell. You're going to go in your shipments, and then what you're going to do is you're going to see this one SKU, expected units, only one is expected. And it says it says right here, this is expected. This means that this is expecting 1 unit. Underneath of that, it says located units. That means that they did locate 1 unit. Now it says prime eligible units. This pretty much means, did they actually check it in yet? And the answer is no. They received it, but they did not fully check it in yet into Amazon. And that means that it's just sitting in the warehouse. They're going to check it in, but they haven't officially checked it in yet. And that's when you start to develop your lead time, right? With all of Amazon getting slower with checking things in. You want to make sure that you are on top of it and you have a good lead time. It used to be 30 days, and then Amazon got slower, 45 days, and then now we're looking at a 60-day lead time, depending on where you're ordering it in the country. Right. So definitely check that out. That's pretty much the gist. And if it's still not checked in, what you can do, if this still says 0 and you're like, what's going on? The first thing you do always, and even if they say don't do it, contact Amazon. Say, look, I shipped this in. If you ship the pallet, they're going to ask for the BLL number. You'll give them BLL, you'll give the sheet. If you don't have that, then your shipper should, right? If you're just shipping regular boxes, you have the tracking number. You can just look it up at ups.com and it says delivered, or if it says where it's at. If it says delivered and it doesn't say delivered here, you're still good to go. You give that to Amazon. Use an Amazon partnered carrier, right? And that's pretty much just clicking print, whatever Amazon recommends. That's when you're going to get a partnered carrier, and then all of your shipments are pretty much covered to the point, right? So that's going to be the best way to do it, is just to contact Amazon, open up that case, say, look, here's proof I shipped it. Where's my units? Then they'll do an inventory check. They'll escalate it, call somebody at Amazon that works at the shipment fulfillment center, and then they will find the units most likely. And they do that now, just a heads up. So that's not a new thing. That is something that they have been doing, and we've been seeing it happen. So keep that in mind at the end of the day. I hope this helps you in your journey with making sure all inventory is good. Don't sweat it. If it says one, Amazon has it, but it's just like, come on, Amazon. But you can give them a little push. Just when they say, hey, we can't do anything, don't you dare close that case. You say, no, 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 you will do something, right? Do it in a nice, professional, strategic way. You'll win every time. And of course, if you do need help on Amazon, we do run an Amazon consulting agency where we can help you increase your sales, fix problems, remove fakes, you name it. We got it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.